Yeah, rainy. Would you stop it?
I'm trying to fix it. I think it broke it.
Yeah, my camera's being wet. Yo, Kara.
Oh, hey! I'm getting a shower.
Thanks. If you're not going to use it, I'll use it because I have a camera. Yeah, it's raining out today.
We're getting a shower with our clothes on.
Now I'm using a pink umbrella, you guys. Dark and cloudy and rainy.
You can have water sex.
Oh, come on. Let's not do it. Not like we had foot sex earlier.
Oh, God.
Yeah, we decided to have foot sex. She decided to, like, put her foot up in my vagina.
She did it to me, too.
Yeah. We did it to each other because we like foot sex.
Oh, boy. And I'm still a virgin.
Yeah, so yeah, she had foot sex. In the rain. Nice pants.
I know.
Mine have paint all over them. They're really nice. But they're sexy. What are you looking at?
A hand?
Your balls?
I know.
Your balls hang low today up to the floor. Totally, Karen. Totally sexy.
Hey, tobacco addiction is physical and mental. Counseling and medicine may be needed. Are you ready to quit? Pick a quit day. All PAs free online. Oh, wait. Call PAs free online for assistance. And then call 1-800-QUIT NOW. Tobacco addiction is physical and mental, you guys.
Like, Kara's physical and mentally attacked her. And sexy and attractive and...
I'm really sexy when I look like a wet bitch.
Yeah, because you're a sexy
Then I'm
bitch.
all slippery and hot. And, you know, water dripping on my hot skin, you know.
Yeah.
Makes you guys all want to go, woo-hoo.
Exactly.
And then later we're going to do a snow video where whenever it snows and it's a nice sunny day or something like that, we're going to build snowballs. And we're going to make snowmen that have balls and pussies.
You having fun over there?
Yeah, I am.
What are you doing, praying to God?
People, when they pray, they go like this.
Yeah, but some people go like that, what you just did.
Oh, well, I wasn't praying. I'm atheist,
Thank
remember?
God. Thank God you don't pray. Having fun?
Yeah, I am.
Yo! Don't screw up my camera.
Oh, God, that was a weak waterfall, you guys. That was weak.
Not going fast enough.
And get what?
They weren't going fast enough and they were hitting it. When you go jumping it, Kara? Because that might happen. You might get hit or you might get all watery.
I don't care about water. I'm already wet. Then when I get a shower, all I gotta do is apply soap.
Yeah, and shaving cream in my pits.
I know. I mean, you know, Amy has a short sleeve shirt on and it's like up to here. And we was laying down right and she went like this. And I didn't say anything at first, but she kind of looks like a hairy ape.
That's because I don't shave all the time, because it doesn't really matter because it's the winter. Sexy bitch. I'm hungry now. I smell toast. Totally. I love this song.
Hey, look, there's a rainbow. Look at that. You see that Maynard sign up there by the light?
Yeah.
Because it's raining, it looks like there's a rainbow. Cool. Wow, look at the water.
Where?
What?
Guess who I saw yesterday?
Oreos.
My Shauna.
Oh, okay.
She was at the thing last night.
Oh, sounds good.
I only saw Smurf. I saw one right before Miss Seeley found out. The only time I saw her. So she had class last night, so she didn't go to the thing. There, I found a way to keep it up. This.
Oh, okay. Oh, God.
Your bus. I want your bus to get here soon. Sexy Phil.
Who's Phil?
A guy who's online.
Oh, okay.
On YouTube. Having fun? No, you're not. Eat it, Kara. Kara.
My sleeves are wet.
Wonder why. I should go out and eat dinner in the cafeteria today, but I don't have to in my dorm. I wonder why, Kara.
We just ate popcorn and had a candy cane. Hey, somebody's coming.
Yeah, it's called your butt. Kara.
What?
It's called your butt.
Oh, okay.
What are you looking at? My butt? Sexy car. That's a sexy car, too. And that's a sexy car right there, too.
Where?
Look where my camera's pointing.
Hey! I have a dick. It's a wet one, too. Wait, is it wet? No, it's not wet.
Gosh, Kara.
No, it's wet.
Kara, what are we going to do with you? I'm bored sitting here.
You're not sitting.
Standing. I'm bored standing at the bus stop. Because of you, Kara. I blame you. If it was a nice sunny day, or not rainy.
Oh, come on. We don't have a rain video.
I know. Well, now we do.
We're going to have a lot of snow videos.
If it ever snows.
Huh?
If it ever snows.
It's going to snow.
Before now and Thanksgiving.
I don't know if that's going to happen. We may get a flurry.
Because probably starting next semester, we're probably not going to be able to hang out.
Why?
Because of classes. And times when we end.
Oh.